episode that will enrich your cooking lifestyle. I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious traditional meal. It's called Ofada. But this time I'm going to make a chicken Ofada jollof rice for you, and you're going to really love it. You're going to thank me for teaching you how to make this lovely recipe. What you have here is ripe pepper, which is ripe chili pepper, but this particular chili pepper is not a hot one. It's just green and ripe, which gives it a flavor, but it's flavorful. We've got chopped diced chicken, we've got parboiled rice for 8 minutes, and we've got crayfish, palm oil, locust beans. If you really have not tasted locust beans before, this is part of umami. If you really want to take out your umami, and this will give you a lot of umami to make your dish happen. And so we have a smoked fish, smoked catfish. On top, we've got ginger, garlic, bay leaf, salt, umami. We've got seasonings. We've got tomato paste. We've got onion, and we've got the tomato puree. It's time for us to make those mix together, and you can see how magical this is going to be. Let's go. There are some basic things you need to know how to get it right. The original palm oil. So you're going to add the palm oil to the pan. You're going to allow that to blanch for just 1 minute, and then you don't want to completely flash it off, so you don't have to lose all of this color and all this vibrancy. But so this is getting ready, and we're going to season our protein to give it all the stuff. I'm going to fry the protein in the palm oil, pick it out, and then we have the flavored oil, and I'm going to add some seasonings and some sauce with chicken. And then ensure you season this very well. That's about 5 grams of salt into the chicken, of about 400 grams. And then we're going to add a little of garlic into the chicken, and then we're just going to add the chicken into the oil. While that is cooking, it's time for me to take up my bay leaf, and I'm going to add the blending on top of the chicken. The garlic, I'm going to pour the mini garlic, the ginger. We're going to also add the onion at the center of the chicken. This is really brilliant because I'm teaching you how to make sure one pot is getting everything done for you, and one pot can actually make a delicious meal for you. And so we're going to allow that to cook up a little bit, so we can now get the chicken out and start to season and make sure the flavor goes in. So you have to decide to make this dish. You must make sure there are a few things that you cannot forget or you cannot miss out of this dish. You can alternate the palm oil, and you can use a very good vegetable oil. You can alternate the tomato puree, and you can also increase the tomato paste. And this is not like a jollof rice because we call it jollof rice. We want you to see that color that illustrates the jollof rice. We're going to be adding a tomato paste and a tomato paste. But truly, the flavor that's going to be overriding all of this cooking is called ripe pepper. And so our chicken is ready, and it's steaming, and it's got this love flavor. Now we're going to stir with. So we're going to add the locust beans. Don't forget, you need to follow step to step on how this is being done, which is the seasoning. I'm going to add all of the crayfish seasoning. I'm going to cook for about 3 minutes to get those lovely spice pan together, and then we can get the chicken out. And then now I'm removing that lovely, delicious chicken. It's tasty right now. It's full of flavor. And then we're going to start to add just love salt. The first thing is going to go in here for tomato paste. So make sure that blends into the oil. Now we're going to add the first part of the smoked fish. And then we're going to add the pepper. So you're going to cook up this pepper to ensure it dries up. But the good thing about this dish is that you can actually do this sauce the day before, a week before, and then you just parboil your rice 8 minutes, and then combine it together, and then you start to have this wanting together. So we're going to add the remaining salt. Don't forget that we use the 4 sets of the salt. We shade it equal to this 10 grams, 5 into the chicken to marinate the chicken, and then we have another 5 into the sauce. Cook it until it gets dry, and then that is where we start to add the rice. Sauce is ready, and then one thing I can share with you is this: if you really love flavor and aromatic flavor, this is it in the pot. And so it's time for us to add our parboiled rice, and we just stir in the rice. This is about 300 grams of rice, and then to parboil it, you need about 1.5 teaspoons of salt to make sure that it's tasty, and then we just stir that way so that it can blend. Use the back of your spoon, and then just do the whole swirl, and then we're going to add some stock to it so that they can steam, the flavors can bind together into the rice. Oh my god, this is heaven on earth. Okay, we're gonna add some stock to it. And I'm gonna allow that to steam together. Allow that to steam on low heat for about 15 minutes. And then you have total of 35 minutes to make the rice ready. This is one thing I love about this dish. It's a deal breaker. And if you really have to make this for anyone, they will tell you thank you. And that thank you is what I'm excited about. So let's do it. This is it, it's ready. And now the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add your chicken back. And then we are going to make sure the chicken will finally with the stuff. Just know it is so delicious. And we're going to add the smoked and to do the whole slicing additional and the twist. It's a masterpiece. It's the whole Ofada jollof rice. And let that mix together. Oh my god, this is good. So that is it tonight. This is a dish you want to enjoy. And we're about to serve this delicious meal. It's a delicious meal, and I hope this got something special. This is a dish you can serve anywhere. You want to serve in the restaurant, you want to serve it for dinner, after breakfast. You want to ensure people are eating aromatic and flavorful. This is a dish. If you want something spicy and hot, you can make that happen through this dish. Everything you desire that you want to put in one plate is what this recipe can give to you. So feel free to share, tell somebody about it, and then ensure you are enjoying the best of flavor. Trust me, this is how I love you to eat and to break your fast this Ramadan. A big thanks to our sponsor, We on West End, Warri, Nigeria, for making this happen. Your support is felt and we celebrate it. But this recipe is for those of you that love to cook a delicious dish.
Quiero de lo bueno que teníamos perder.